Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm going to talk about a problem that many of you may have, which is squirrel. Because the squirrels come in our garden, eat all of the buds and break down the stems of our plants. My mom has been noticing this problem for quite a while now. She tied the plants with a thread which were hurted by the squirrels. And my mom even tried to give the squirrels some nuts. But even after that, they still came and destroyed our plants. So for a long time, my mom was wondering what she could do with the problem. So after thinking for a long time, my mom decided to cover the plants with a net. So this way the squirrels cannot come and hurt our plants. And inside the nets, our plants will still continue to grow. But after researching a little bit more on Google, my mom found something. It said to mix some haldi powder with some water. So my mom got 5 liters of water and mixed it with the haldi powder. According to this, they said that all the squirrels will go away because of the smell. So after that, my mom mixed this very well. And after mixing it properly, my mom put it in a bottle. Then add some black pepper and keep it for 24 hours. And then she will simply spray it to the plants. We will surely give you updates if this works by any chance. But even after spraying it to the plants, my mom thought of giving one more thing, which was crushed eggshells and dried crushed banana peels. Now, as the squirrels have completely destroyed the plants, my mom thought of deadheading the plants. She did this by pruning some of the buds that were completely destroyed and some of the leaves. Now this is the next day after 24 hours. It's time to spray. Now she is going to give the eggshells and the banana peels. This will help to get rid of the squirrels, as well as this will act as a fertilizer for the plants. I hope after these steps, we'll find no more squirrels in our garden destroying our plants anymore. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.